everybody, I'm your host Noel here at Keyboard Shopping Network. So here in Maryland we seem to be expecting some snow tomorrow. So a couple of days ago I wanted to get something that I could actually have fun with in the snow other than the typical off-road trucks that I have. The only thing I could think of is the Kyosho Blizzard. It already comes equipped with a plow. It's fully functional. It is also only 1/12 scale, but that wasn't a big deal for me. That was fine. So I was thinking, okay, I need to get this like now so I can have it shipped to me in 2 days. But I wanted to try my local hobby store and see if anybody got it, and they did. They had two in stock, but when I got there, it turned out to be the Kyosho Trail King right here, which is to me the same thing as the Blizzard, but it just doesn't come with the functional plow. I went and got it anyway. It's something different. I don't have any vehicles that have tracks. This is my first, well, I can't say it's my first vehicle because when I was in high school, I had the if you grew up in the 90s, you'll know the tracks, the Tyco tracks. I think that's the name. I had one of those and I had a lot of fun with those. So this is probably somewhat similar to it. But let's go ahead and open it and see what this thing is all about. So guys, this is what's in the box. Got the controller's probably, I'm pretty sure the controller's here. There it is right there. I took out the instruction book to read up on it real quick. But yeah, let's pull it out. So I've been trying to unbox this for the last day, but I wasn't able to do so. Today I made it my goal to really be able to do this unboxing for y'all, and hopefully we really do get the snow that they're talking about here in Maryland, but we'll see. It's one of those things that it's like I'll believe it when I see it type deal. But yeah, I can't wait to get some videos for you guys. This thing looks very scaled, by the way. It's amazingly scaled. The details is one of the best ones that I've seen. But here we go. This away for now. There you go. Let's take this plastic off. The only thing is that I don't understand. So the Blizzard is sold for $2.99, and this one is priced at $2.99 also. There's a couple of reviews out there that I've read. One of them said that the tracks actually came off the first 5 minutes. I think that the tracks need to be adjusted a little bit from the box because according to the instructions, if it's too droopy, it needs to be adjusted just a little bit, and I will see. But yeah, there you go. You guys check this out. Look at the side view mirrors on this thing, and I think it's got functional lights. So the front headlights and the tail lights are supposed to work also. I have not charged the battery. That's a neat on-off switch they have over there. I'm pretty sure that's, hopefully it is waterproof. But yeah, I like it. To get the bed, it's plastic with a sticker. I guess you can put accessories and stuff back there if you're hauling stuff. It's plastic. There is the accessories. You can get metal tracks, and from what I've read, also it's got plastic gears. So I don't plan on driving this too hard anyway. What else? I've already ordered the parts for the plow kit, which cost me, I'm just gonna guess how much. I think it cost me about almost $100 in parts to for the plow kit. It's Kyosho did a great job on their instructions. It basically, there's a section on the instructions that tells you part numbers and parts that you need to get that snow plow kit on this thing. Some of the parts I got from A-Main, and some of the parts was on back order or sold out on A-Main, but I was able to find it on eBay. So I got half of the parts coming from A-Main and the other half from eBay. And yeah, so if you guys run into that problem, just check different sources like I did. I looked into Amazon real quick, but I found a store on eBay that sells most of this stuff. It was actually in a hobby store on eBay, and I got the other half from them. But so let's take the body off, and see what's inside. So here we go with the body off. This is the front. As you can see, let's tilt this. Plastic gears. 2 motors. This is a 1/12 scale. The 2-speed controls and the receiver is in here. And there's the antenna. It seems to be, I'm not sure it's supposed to come with an antenna cap, but yeah, I would definitely have to put an antenna cap in there to prevent any moisture or any water from getting in there to the electronics. So no big deal. This comes with a Dean's plug. And by the way, it comes with this battery. The instructions did not really mention if this thing is capable of LiPo batteries. Since this one has plastic gears, I'm not gonna run LiPo. Hopefully I'll be okay with this, but we'll see. And just a side note, the charger, the USB charger that came with the kit says 10 to 11 hour charge time. You know, just to let you guys know, yeah, the charger that came with this kit, it's, I would say, like an overnight charger for 10 to 11 hours. Yeah, that's more of a overnight charger to me. Yeah, but there we go. This right here, this large shaft back here, right here, is supposed to be there's just two screws on the side right here. That screw right there, or I'm sorry, that right there, and on the other side, that's your tension adjustment for the tracks. So you just move that forward or backwards to adjust the tension. Yeah. Let's see what's underneath. That's the front. See that hole right there is. You remove this lower bumper. You remove that, and then that is where the one of the arms would come out from right over here. And the servo for the plow sits, I think, back here somewhere. I'll figure that out later, but there you go, everybody. Yeah, I can't wait to drive this thing. Let's put the body back on and let's check out the controller. So here's the controller. Look at that. That is cool. So apparently how it works is that once I have the plow installed, the instruction says you can use the sticks like left or right for up and down on the plow. But yeah, sorry, didn't me do this again. So apparently how the controls work, you push both sticks forward and then just pull them back to go reverse. To turn left, you push the right stick forward, and vice versa on the other side. But yeah, just check out that controller. Yeah, it's very neat. Looks almost like an RC plane controller, or just like back in the old days. So here we go, everybody. This is the Kyosho Trail King. The side view mirrors. Got the wipers. I have the battery charging now. It's the bed. And here's the closer look, much better look on the controller. By the way, guys, I checked on that adjustment screw for the track, and it was barely tight. It wasn't even. It actually. It didn't even take any effort at all to loosen them up. So what I did was went ahead and adjusted mine, and I'll show you real quick what I did. So here we go. What I did was I just kind of, I hope you guys can see that. I just kind of pulled this all the way to the back. So it is at max adjustment. Oh, that didn't work. So let me see. Let's get a flashlight. There we go. As you can see, I got this thing pulled all the way to the back. And this screw right here, right there, you need like a needle nose, or what I used was one of my camber adjustment tool, camber link adjustment tool. This it's a size, if I get it to focus, 5.5. Yeah, but that's what I used. And you kind of have to go get to the screw. You guys can see if I can find it. Well, anyway, yeah, and you need so I used the needle nose, or camber link adjustment tool, which was 5.5 millimeter, to grab onto that nut right there. And I just used a regular screwdriver on the other side to loosen them up. Yeah, you gotta do it on both sides. One side here, and then on the opposite side there's another one right there. So yeah, I went ahead and tried to mess with it, and come to find out these weren't even tight. They were just kind of barely snug. So I went ahead and adjusted it and tightened them up. And I can't imagine this is you know, too snug. I think it's just right, because I can slide them left or right, you know, because I didn't want it to be too snug to it'll bind. But as you can see, that's the maximum adjustment right there. But we'll see. So let's go ahead and put the body on. And here we go. Well, there you go, everybody. The Kyosho Trail King. My camera is running out of power, but here you go. I got the battery halfway charged up. And I can't wait to make videos for you guys, so stay tuned. The next video, hopefully, if we do get the snow, whether we do or not, I'm gonna have a running video for you all. And again, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody for checking out my channel. I'll see you all next time. See ya.